What's happening, everybody? Kelly here. And today I've got a really good one for you. By now, if you're a real estate agent, you've heard of Canva. Now, some of you are using it, some of you aren't using it, some of you are using it at a high level. I want to share with you the 7 things that I use it for with regards to my marketing and the different things that we do here weekly in our business. And I want to show you how powerful this software is. Now, one of the things I want to share with you with Canva is how absolutely powerful this software is, and it's inexpensive. Guys, I have a pro version with them, and I think I pay like $10 a month. So as I get into this, I want to show you the value that you're going to get if you decide to get it. Just when you're done with the video, just go to Google and type in Canva, and trust me on this. Go get yourself, if they offer a free trial, do it, but you're not going to get all of the goodies. Just do the $10 a month. It's a month-to-month thing, and check out how dadgum powerful Canva is. As always, if you are struggling in your business, if you're not closing the deals that you want to be closing, we've got almost 8,000 Ninja Maniacs on this channel. I am on a passion tear to help agents stop BS marketing. As you can tell by the videos I have on this channel, I'm very passionate in helping agents achieve the dreams as to why they got into real estate. If you want to get on my calendar and talk about your current business, we'll do an audit. Well, let's look and see what you're doing. We're going to talk about stuff like the power of partnership, what you can expect if you partner with the right teams, if you partner with the right people, and just simply talk about things you could be doing strategy-wise to 10x where you're at. If you're not doing the volume you want to do, it's worth the conversation. Just look below the video, get on my calendar, and let me share with you how you can change the course of your business in the next 12 months. Fair? All right, let's get into this Canva now and talk about the 7 things that I do that you guys could be doing. Let's jump up to the first one. Here we go. I use Canva pretty much for my YouTube thumbnails. Here's an example of one that I shot not too long ago. And literally, when you go into Canva and it asks you what you want to do, there's a button that says YouTube thumbnails. And guys, it gives you all of these different themes. You literally can borrow these, bring it over, and then edit, because all of this stuff is editable, right? Like I can take this and I can change the color of that to that. Look at there, guys. It's red, right? I added my picture, and Canva has this really cool feature called remove your background. So I was in the office with the office behind me, and I removed it. It let me outline a pretty cool looking thumbnail, how to find buyers on the MLS, right? And I think I probably spent 5 minutes putting this together. Now, don't judge me. I'm not a professional thumbnail creator, but I think with Canva, I can create some amazing thumbnails. And guys, honestly, this took me 5 minutes, 5 minutes to put together. And then when you're done, let me move me. When you're done, you simply share it, download it to your computer, and upload it to Facebook, or if you're using it for YouTube thumbnails, upload it to YouTube. But what an amazing thing to be able to do in terms of creating thumbnails. So you're doing YouTube videos, Canva can give you some amazing thumbnails and give you already done editable templates. All right, let's move on. If you have a Facebook business page or you've got a YouTube page, Canva lets you create some amazing YouTube channel art. So here's one right here, guys, and let me just blow it up. This is what's currently on my YouTube channel you're watching right now. So the banner that I created, I did it in Canva, right? The other thing is Canva lets you share all your designs as a template. So if you've got people that are on your team and you create assets, you can share those with them. They can edit them. And again, you can make some pretty amazing things. Now, don't shout me down. I think this is an amazing YouTube banner channel art. But again, all of this is editable. But again, look what you can create. I think this took me, with all the revisions, about 20, 30 minutes. And again, I just think it looks really sharp, right? Let's move on. This is my email signature. So what I did is I created this in Canva. I was able to bring over a GIF of a ninja, the real estate ninja, right? So if you ever get an email from me, this is what you get. Now, on the email, since it's a GIF, this is what it looks like. See how I've got all of the different things moving, like the real estate ninja is going to kind of come up. The phone number goes back and forth. The Wolfpack Ninja kind of comes in at you. The Ninja's running. And in my email signature, this thing is going to every 5 seconds renew. So it's going to constantly be moving in the email signature. So that is a really cool thing you can do with Canva. Create amazing email signatures, right? Let's move on. This one is one of my favorites. If you have a PDF book, okay, I've got one right here that is my complete, and let me blow it up a little bit, a 27-page book that's my complete listing presentation. There it is, guys, right? Now, I have a company called Listings to Leads that I get massive amounts of marketing material from. And because I pay them monthly for all of their products, I can get this branded killer listing presentation with my brand, my name, my number on every page, literally done for me. All I had to do was download it, upload it to Canva, and it gave this to me. And then I was able to make a couple changes, like some color changes. I put a QR code for people to scan. And then when I was done with this, I saved it as a PDF. And guys, Ninja tip number one, go look at a company called Heyzine, Heyzine. They allow you 5 free ebooks with their own website. And so I uploaded this into Heyzine. And now on all of my direct mail, sometimes in email signatures, I get a QR code that has my free listing ebook. I can send the website to anybody I want. Fizbo's expires, neighborhood farming. And when they open it up, it's a complete online ebook of this presentation. Pretty awesome, guys. So if you haven't, you can upload documents, any type of documents. And something I found out, and I'm not going to show you now, but my wife uses this machine called a Cricut, right? Nothing to do with real estate, although we can make coffee mugs with it, Real Estate Ninja. We can't, matter of fact, the best comment that I see below this video, I'm going to pick it. I'm going to send you my email. You send me your name and address. I will send you. I'm going to wait for about 2 weeks. So go ahead and comment below. And the best comment that I see, you'll get a brand new Real Estate Ninja with your name on it, coffee mug from me. I'll send it to you. So just drop comments below and I'll pick the winner in the next couple of weeks. All right, moving on. Again, what an amazing, amazing thing. Now with her Cricut, we were able to use Canva to bring over art, logos, different things for her coffee mugs, her t-shirts, and Canva lets you download it as an SVG, which is what Cricut wants for that type of stuff. I just learned that the other day, learning new stuff about Canva all the time. You guys can create some amazing letters. Here is an example of my Fizbo letter, right? Check this out, guys. All of this was done inside of Canva, including this border, right? Are you selling your home? And the thing I like about Canva is it lets you take individual words. Whoop. Like I can take this word R, right? I can go ahead and say, I want that R to be blue, right? There you go. Are you selling your home, right? But look at this letter. And then I can download this letter and print as many as I want and mail them to anybody that I want that's a for sale by owner. And look, it let me put a QR code. It let me put, and I did this letter to give to my team, so it's kind of generic. That's why I don't have phone numbers and all of that. But guys, look at this amazing letter. So if you've got any kind of marketing savvy, you can create literally from scratch. And Canva has all of the assets. You've got access to millions of free photographs, GIFs, channel art, elements with graphics. I mean, all of this stuff you saw in here, I got from Canva. Pretty amazing stuff. All right, here's another one. This is, if you're used to PowerPoint, this is one that I use. And this is Canva's version of PowerPoint. And it allows me to do an amazing, amazing presentation. And guys, if I hit share, and I don't know if I can do this here, I'm not going to do it right now, but if I hit present, this whole presentation would blow up and fill my screen. And I can use that to do a lot of my presentations when I am doing video recording of specific topics. And guys, if you have a presentation, you can upload it to Canva and you can edit, you can add things to it. So again, I actually prefer this over using PowerPoint, to be honest with you. So if you've got anything in PowerPoint, bring it to Canva, edit away. It allows you to edit certain things. You can add to it. and it will allow you to make some pretty awesome presentations. Let's look at one more. Now, this one I started using, and I kind of stumbled on this by accident. I do a lot of video. And guys, this one I absolutely loved. Let me bring me back over here. There we go. So this one is pretty amazing. Because I do a lot of video on my YouTube channel for my local city, um, I wanted access to A and B roll, right? What is A and B roll? So if you ever see a real estate agent's YouTube videos, sometimes it'll be like a picture of a city or people running or jogging. Canva has some amazing free use video. So let's say I lived in Austin and I wanted to do a B-roll on my channel. I can come here to Canva to videos, and here's one right here. This one, look at this. This is Austin, Texas. I literally bring this over, set the image as the background, and guys, look at this. Now that's an image. So let me get rid of this. Now we're going to go from photos to video. So again, A roll, B roll on video or photo. Check this out. Let me go to pro and free. And then we're going to say Austin, Texas. Here we go, guys. Look, I want to show you this B-roll. So imagine if you're doing a video on the 5 best restaurants in downtown Austin, right? In the beginning of the video, you wanted some B-roll or introductory video of Austin. Check this out, guys. Isn't that amazing? And guys, the sky's the limit. The sky's the limit. Let's say you wanted to, you're doing a video about a neighborhood that has a lot of people running, right? Or racing. So let me see what this, I'm doing this live, so I don't know if this is going to work. PEOPLERACING. And there we go. So let's say you're wanting to spotlight, that this particular neighborhood has fit trails, right? Look at it. And I can make it as little as I want, right? Get it down to about 6 seconds. And then there's some B-roll, hey guys, Kelly with Austin, and we're over here at Hoopy Doopyville, and we wanted to let you know that they have an amazing area for people to run, and it's full of nature and blah, 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 right? There's your A-B roll. There are companies that charge you freaking tons of money to do this. Canva has it, right? Canva's got all of that stuff. So having said all of that, guys, I just wanted to share with you some of the amazing things you can do with Canva. And guys, there's 7 unique things that I just showed you that you can start doing in your real estate business. And if you're doing a lot of video like I do, wow, go there and start getting your B-roll. I have on my computer a tab that's called B-roll, and I probably got 40 different videos of everything from children, parks, dogs, cities, restaurants, you name it, I've got it. Theme parks, beaches. And I use that when I produce videos for my YouTube channel. And man, it has saved me time and money because it gets expensive to buy this kind of stuff. And nothing beats if you're doing a specific thing to hire a drone operator. But guys, I'm telling you, this will change some of your lives in terms of what you can do. So that's it, guys. That is 7 things that you could do that I'm currently doing in Canva to really take your business up to the next level. And what I wanted to do, guys, is let you know again, if you like all of this stuff, comment below. If you haven't, subscribe the bell, you know the trick. But if you would like to really do a deep dive in your business, guys, my partner, Mike Sherrard, and I would love the opportunity to share with you what your business could look like in the next 12 months. If you're ready to have that conversation and scale and see what the power of partnership looks like, drop me some comments below and I will put a link in the description. Get on my calendar and let's find out what your business is doing currently and what it could do. All right. That's it. If you have any questions, drop them. I'll get to you as soon as I can. Other than that, guys, have a fantastic day and let me know what you thought about this. Do you like these ideas and do you think you're going to use them? All right. That's it. I'm out of here. Peace. Be safe and go get you some.